Welcome to How to Play Swoop. The game is played with 3 to 8 players. If you are playing with 3 to 4 players, you will need 2 decks with a total of 4 jokers. More decks and jokers are needed for more players. The cards are shuffled and each player is dealt 19 cards. Before looking at the cards, players will place 4 cards face down in front of them. Then we'll put a card face up on each of the 4 face down cards. The remaining cards are a player's hand and can be looked at. The object of the game is to avoid scoring points by being the first player to get rid of all their cards in a round. Players take turns playing cards into a middle play pile. On a turn, a player will play a card or multiple cards of the same rank to the middle play pile. The card being played must be of equal rank or a lower rank. The cards are ranked with the kings being the highest down to the aces being the lowest. The tens and jokers are known as swoop cards and clear the middle play pile. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The first player to take a turn can play any card to start the middle play pile. Diana plays 2 queens to start this game. Play moves clockwise left to Peter. Peter's play must be equal or lower in rank of the queens. Peter plays equal rank with 2 queens. When a 4 of a kind is created in the middle, it clears the middle pile. The player that completed the 4 of a kind gets to start the new pile with any card. Peter starts a new pile with a king. Play moves to Wade. Wade is able to add 3 kings to complete the 4 of a kind. The kings are cleared and Wade starts a new pile with a 9. Play returns to Diana, who plays a 9. Play moves to Peter, who plays a 9. Play moves to Wade, who plays an 8. Players will continue to take turns playing cards into the middle when possible. Once a player has played all their cards into the middle, the round is over. The other players will score points based on the cards remaining in their hands. Each ace is worth 1 point. The 2s through the 9s are worth face value. The face cards are worth 10 points each. Each 10 or joker is worth 50 points. Diana has 28 points and Peter has 9 points for this round. The scores are recorded. The game is played until a player reaches 500 points or more. The player with the lowest score at this point wins the game. A player can play a swoop card on their turn to clear the middle pile. The player of the swoop card then plays again to start the new middle pile. If a player cannot play a lower ranking card or a swoop card, the player must take the current middle pile into their hand. Then they will start a new play pile. If a player plays a mystery card into the middle that has a higher rank than the top card, the player must take the middle pile into their hand, then will start a new play pile with the mystery card. A mystery card cannot be played until the face-up card on top of it has been played. If you enjoyed learning how to play Swoop and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.